Welcome back to Holistic Health Haven. Today we're exploring the incredible health benefits of one of the smallest yet most powerful spices, cloves. Packed with nutrients and medicinal properties, cloves have been a cornerstone of natural remedies for centuries. Let's uncover how these tiny wonders can transform your health. We're going to dive deep into what makes cloves a nutritional powerhouse and how they can help boost your immune system, improve digestion, and even alleviate pain. We'll also show you some easy ways to incorporate cloves into your daily routine. So grab a cup of your favorite beverage, sit back, and get ready to unlock the power of cloves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Before we jump into the health benefits, let's talk about why cloves are considered nutritional rock stars. These little guys are bursting with antioxidants, which are essential for fighting off those pesky free radicals that can damage our cells and lead to disease. Cloves are also a great source of important vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and fiber. Vitamin C is a powerful immune booster, while vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Manganese is important for metabolism and bone development, and fiber? Well, we all know how important that is for keeping our digestive system happy. Just a pinch in your food or a couple of cloves in your tea can make a big difference. Let's talk about everyone's favorite topic these days. Immunity. We're all looking for ways to strengthen our body's defense system, and cloves can be a powerful ally in this fight. Remember those antioxidants we talked about earlier? They play a key role in boosting immunity. Cloves are particularly rich in a type of antioxidant called eugenol, which has been shown to have antiviral and antibacterial properties. This means cloves can help fight off those nasty bugs that try to bring us down. Cloves also help boost the production of white blood cells, which are the warriors of our immune system. Adding them to your diet is super easy. Sprinkle some ground cloves into your smoothies, soups, or stews. Let's be real. We've all experienced digestive discomfort at some point in our lives. Whether it's bloating, gas, or indigestion, these issues can really put a damper on our day. Cloves have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for digestive issues, and for good reason. They contain compounds that help stimulate digestive enzymes, which can help break down food more efficiently and reduce those uncomfortable symptoms. Cloves are also known to have carminative properties, meaning they can help expel gas from the digestive tract. You can chew on a clove or two after a meal to aid digestion, or try a soothing cup of clove tea. Did you know that cloves have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for toothaches? That's because they contain eugenol, which has powerful anesthetic and antibacterial properties. Eugenol acts as a natural pain reliever, numbing the affected area, while its antibacterial properties help fight off the bacteria that can cause tooth decay and gum disease. Clove oil in particular is often used in dentistry for its antiseptic and pain-relieving benefits. If you're experiencing a mild toothache or gum discomfort, rinsing your mouth with diluted clove oil or gently chewing on a clove can provide temporary relief. Remember, maintaining good oral hygiene is crucial for overall health. So brush, floss, visit your dentist regularly, and consider incorporating cloves into your routine for an extra boost of oral health support. Pain and inflammation are natural responses to injury or illness, but sometimes they can be chronic and debilitating. If you're looking for natural ways to manage pain and inflammation, cloves might be your new best friend. Eugenol, the superstar compound in cloves, is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Studies have shown that clove oil can be effective in reducing pain associated with conditions like arthritis, muscle pain, and headaches. It's also been traditionally used to alleviate menstrual cramps. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for people with diabetes. Studies suggest that cloves may help improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can use insulin more effectively to lower blood sugar levels. They may also help slow down the breakdown of carbohydrates in the gut, leading to a more gradual release of sugar into the bloodstream. Who doesn't love having healthy, glowing skin? Well, cloves can be a secret weapon in your skincare routine. Their antibacterial and antifungal properties make them effective in combating acne, blemishes, and other skin infections. Clove oil, when diluted with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil, can be applied topically to affected areas. It helps dry out pimples, reduce redness and inflammation, and promote faster healing. Now let's talk about some practical ways to incorporate cloves into your daily routine. And we're starting with a simple but effective recipe: clove water. To make clove water, simply add 1 to 2 cloves to a cup of hot water. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then remove the cloves and enjoy. You can drink this aromatic water after meals to aid digestion, reduce bloating, and freshen your breath. It's a simple and natural way to support your digestive health and enjoy the therapeutic benefits of cloves. We've already talked about the amazing pain-relieving properties of clove oil for toothaches. Now here's how to use it safely and effectively. Remember, clove oil is potent, so always dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil before applying it to your gums. Mix a drop of clove oil with a teaspoon of carrier oil, then soak a cotton ball in the mixture and gently apply it to the affected tooth and surrounding gums. Repeat this a few times a day as needed until you can see your dentist. Clove oil's anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties make it a great natural remedy for muscle pain, joint pain, and even headaches. To use clove oil topically, dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut oil, almond oil, or jojoba oil. A good ratio is 1 to 2 drops of clove oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. Gently massage this mixture onto the affected area for a few minutes. Let's talk about how to incorporate clove oil into your skincare routine for a clearer, healthier complexion. Remember, clove oil is potent, so always dilute it with a carrier oil before applying it to your skin. For acne treatment, mix a drop of clove oil with a teaspoon of carrier oil like coconut oil or jojoba oil. Apply a small amount of this mixture directly to the blemishes using a cotton swab. You can also add a drop or two of diluted clove oil to your face mask for added antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits. Cloves are small, but they surely have big health benefits. Get them in your lives for better health and wellness. From boosting immunity and aiding digestion to relieving pain and enhancing skin health, cloves offer a natural and versatile approach to well-being. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of cloves, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Holistic Health Haven for more natural health tips and tricks.